Well, hey guys, I'm coming to you today to show you how you can make an easy rosette cookie. First, we've got this is a 1M Wilton tip, and then I have a number 20 Wilton tip. You're going to use this to make your big rosettes on your regular size cookies. I like to call these regular size. They're about 3 inches in diameter. And so I'm just going to put this in with my bag. I've just cut the edge, and I'm just going to start from the inside and go all the way around my cookie. And this makes it a super easy way to do your cookie. You can do like little sparkles in there. You could do like little sugar pearls to make it, to dress it up. But it's great for a wedding, for a anniversary set that you're doing. And then we have our little one here. This is if you're making minis. I like to use the number 20 Wilton tip. And same method, I'm going to start from the middle and just work around the edge. When you have like a little tail like that, I like to take my scribe and just kind of push it right back in there like so. And if you have multiple flowers that you're going to do on your cookie, and you can just use your number 20, and we're just going to make the rosettes all around our cookie like so. And again, I'm just using my scribe to move those in. So again, you've got your Wilton number 20 for your smaller ones, and your 1M Wilton 1M tip for your larger rosettes. So there you have it. Tips for making easy rosettes.